I'm going to show you today how to crochet a chain. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to wrap the yarn around your finger, and where the yarn crosses, you're going to grab it, lift it off your finger, and you're going to take the yarn going towards your ball of yarn and put it through the loop and pull. And that is how you do a slip stitch. Now you're going to put your crochet hook into the loop and pull the yarn going towards your ball of yarn. You're going to pull it, and now you're going to wrap your yarn around your hook, wrap it around, and pull through. And that is how you do a chain. Wrap it around, pull through. 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 Now, this is how you count your chains, and also the way to count your stitches. You're going to look for the V's. Here's one V, and that is the first chain you did. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you liked that video. If you did, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And to stay tuned for the next video where I will show you how to do the slip stitch. Have a great day.